that is also having majority of fat, right? Mostly the cowpea, chickpeas, green grass, they contain mostly proteins and carbohydrates, and that kind of seeds, they are having much oil, fat, right? Right. Seeds rich in fat, right? Those are the required nutrients, right? Those are the required nutrients for a good food pattern, right? Yes. Then number two, right? Number two, active lifestyle and exercises, right? Active lifestyle and exercises. You know that most in your schools also, are you doing exercises in the morning, Puti?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Then so from that one also, that is improving the total health of the children as well. So active lifestyle that should maintain by the students, right? The no need of a guidance regarding an active lifestyle, right? That we should train that within ourselves, right? Some people, they don't like to be active, right? They are very slow in each and every activity, right? When you become active, right, everything happens accurately, right? Everything happens in a well planned method if you are active, right? When you are starting the things early in the morning, and when it comes the night, you can understand that, right? Because I have completed these much of work during this day, right? That is due to your activeness, right? So active lifestyle and exercise. You see, I have given some blanks, try to fill in, right? Can prevent non-communicable diseases like, right? You put the diseases, non-communicable diseases that they have given in the textbook. Yes, can you see them? Yes,
Yes,
what are the what are the
Yes,
diseases
teacher.
that they have given regarding the non-communicable diseases? Yes.
Diabetes, high blood pressure, heart
Yes.
attack, stroke, and main mental physical exercise.
Yes, right. Yes, that I have given a part of that. So you have to fill the blanks, right? Cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, right? The others I have given, right? So you have learned in basic that communicable and non-communicable diseases, you know, these